What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to The Informed Trader. My name is Chris. Every day on this channel we analyze the stock market and look at new ticker symbols, different things to add to your watch list, finding the right opportunities to grow your wealth in the stock market. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate if you give a like and subscribe. We're growing slowly, and hit that bell notification if you don't want to miss a daily update. Now, today, talking about Palantir. Now, those of you that have followed me on this channel know that I'm very bullish on Palantir. I've been trying to up my positions in the stock. I'll reveal that to you at the end of the video. But listen, there's no doubt that this company is doing great things. There's no doubt that this company is inking contracts that many other quote-unquote competitors are struggling to sleep at night because they are not getting these contracts. All right, government contracts, commercial contracts, in just about every sector of business. Palantir is there striking deals, getting contracts. Why? Because they are leagues ahead of the competition, they're providing value, and they're one of the most secure technology softwares right now out there, especially with all the issues we've had with cybersecurity and hacking. Now, the reason I put this video together today is because I wanted to show you what Cathie Wood said last night. Now, I said about Palantir, I'm kind of reading in between the lines there, and you'll see why in a minute. Let me play you a clip.
In a sell-off, any sell-off, we will concentrate towards our highest conviction names. So during the coronavirus, for example, the crisis, we went down to 33 names in our flagship portfolio. Today, we're up to 55. So what we will do...
So obviously right now we realize we're in a little bit of a sell-off, right? We understand that the markets have been red. If we go ahead and look at the price chart for Palantir, it's just been a continuous drop. And obviously with the lockup period being over and early investors and employees selling off their shares for some good profits, we knew that there was going to be some decline in the price. And combine that with a bit of a almost bear market outlook, we have what we have going on here across the entire stock market. But notice what she says. She said that when those times come, their investments primarily start flowing towards their high conviction stocks. The high conviction companies that they know without a shadow of a doubt, this is where we want our money long term because we know this is what's going to make us money, right? The money will flow into what they believe in first. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at what ARK's holdings are in Palantir. All right, so this is straight from their website. If we go ahead and look at February 18th, 2021, we have a purchase of 5.2 million shares. And then on February 26th, we have another purchase of 2.4 million shares. And then yesterday, once again, another 1.9 million shares. If we look over here, you can see that at a cost average of $24.64, Palantir owns 9.8 million shares. Now, that interview where she said about the high conviction happened yesterday, and yesterday they purchased even more. I believe Palantir is one of their high conviction stocks, and if that doesn't send a message to you, I would definitely take that into consideration. Now, obviously, ARK Invest and Cathie Wood, they're not the be-all, end-all, just because they buy doesn't mean it's always going to go up or things like that. But I do want you to realize that they are banking heavily on this company and that they're loading up while shares are cheap. If you saw what the price target was in a 5-year outlook, looking at around $350, you'd be loading up too at these prices. So as you can see, yesterday I was able to actually get some shares here on WeBull. I got just, 18 shares here for $23.80. So I'm already up on that purchase. I got in just about the lowest point yesterday. And then over in my Robinhood account, I have another 79 shares here at an average cost of $25.49. Was able to average that down a little bit. Any spare cash I'm getting, anything extra I can afford to throw into this stock, this is where I want to be right now. And then just for kicks, I've got another 3 shares in my Fidelity account, all right, which I purchased for $24.95. So there you are, 100 shares exactly right now. I'm looking at consolidating some of my different brokerages and the securities I'm in into WeBull to make it simpler. But yeah, of course, this isn't financial advice, entertainment purposes only. But listen, guys, Palantir is looking like it's going to take off soon. And regardless if it takes off in 1 month or 1 year, I would be loading up on the stock best you can. You're investing in a company with true value. You don't have to worry about them becoming non-existent. This isn't like GameStop, where price is shooting up because of attention in the retail investor, but it could plummet tomorrow, and we would all have no problem believing it could drop by 75%. So yeah, hopefully this helps your confirmation bias. We're getting ready to go into pre-market once again. And as you know, yesterday it ended off on a positive note. Had some positive PR on CNBC about the call options that are expiring this month and things like that. But the price did shoot up in the after hours and held pretty strong. So I wouldn't play around too much. We could have another red day, but regardless, just keep adding to your position. Let me know what you guys have. I know some of you out there are crazy. Me and my 100 shares, we ain't doing too much, but I think I'll be happy once the price starts going up here. So anyways, thanks for watching. You're on The Informed Trader. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I'll catch you next time.